Afternoon, wonderful biology class. Today I'm going to remind you how to perform t-tests on sets of data so that you can compare two means to see if they are significantly different from each other. So if you look at the little table I've prepared here that says t-tests, you'll see MR versus MF, MR versus LR, MF versus LF, and LR versus LF. Those are the four comparisons that we've agreed to perform. So I'll click in the space below MR versus MF, and I can do what I did this afternoon, that is type equals t dot test. We can start like that, or I can do another thing I want to show you. If I go up to the upper left and click on f of x, I'll get a little dialog box here, and if I click on t-test, it shows you the arrays and the tails and the type that you have to enter to perform that t-test without having to put in the commas. It's a little easier. So here's my t-test. Array 1 will be MR, or mouse room. So I go over to the slope divided by mass column, and I select down all of the values of slope divided by mass for mouse versus room. And I go and I click in array 2, and I need mouse fridge, so I scroll down a little bit, and I now grab those data points for mouse in the fridge. And then I remember for all of these tests, tails is going to be 2 and type is going to be 3. And even before I nix that, you'll see here's the result of 0.210097272, and you see it up here in the box where we decided to put the function. So when we compared the mean of mouse room versus mouse fridge, we got a p-value of 0.21, and we remember that the p-value must be less than 0.05 in order for them to be significantly different. So I know that the mouse room mouse fridge comparison is not significant. Okay. Now I'll show it to you for the other, at least one more category. Here's mouse room versus lizard room. Once again, I'll go to the upper left and click f of x, t-test. And here's my mouse room data. I'm selecting those. Now I have to scroll down here to my lizard room data and select those. Remember, we removed one of those. Whoops. I forgot to click into a new box, so I have to redo that. And I will do that real quickly. Mouse room. And now tails 2, type 3, and hit done. And you can see that 0.19 is p less than 0.05? Question mark? No. So there is no significant difference between the mouse room mean and the lizard room mean. I'm going to leave the last two for you to do by yourself. Good luck, and I'll see you tomorrow.